Hi everyone, making a quick video here of the Wild Planet Wild Sardines. I'm going to go ahead and post a link down below if you'd like to purchase these sardines. And if you haven't already, press the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe for more videos. Now let's jump right into this. I've done a variety of different reviews on different products. If you haven't checked them out, check out my channel. I have them posted. Wild Planet now is a great company. I don't really say that because I'm getting free packages or anything from them. I really don't get any free packages. I wish I do, but they're a great company because of what they stand for and the practice of the sardines they obtain. So as you can see here, they're scale-free, sustainable, caught in the North Pacific. Now, you don't go too much into detail, but this company in general, I've noticed, really stands by their product, and it's not like a product that comes from China or different parts of the world that we don't know where it's coming from. As you can see here, the sardines, they're in olive oil, water. They got a little bit of lemon, sea salt, and they got a little smoke as they stated earlier. Now, these are processed in Thailand like a lot of sardines and tuna are. So you're going to see a lot of fish coming from Thailand. One thing I would like Wild Planet to do is show, where, yes, processed in Thailand, but where are the sardines coming from? Because the majority of the time the sardines are not being, obtained from the Thailand or the seas around Thailand. So I'm really interested if they could be able to state that. Looking at the nutritional facts, this is a powerhouse, to be honest. No sugar added, which is amazing. You got the sea salt, which is about 260 milligrams per container, which is, not bad. It's pretty good. It's not huge in terms of the salt content. And that's due to the bacterial growth. You don't want that to be growing in there. And with this specific product, you can taste a little bit of the lemon, and it's lightly smoked. It's not heavily smoked, which is good. I've got a second product here, which I'll review next time, but this is, there's no lemon with this. It's just basically without the lemon. So it should be basically the same, but as you can see here, the great thing about these sardines are the firmness. As you can see, I just put my fork in it and it grabbed it. A lot of sardines out there, you don't have the ability, it's all mushy, it's all falling apart, and one of the reasons is because it's been kind of shelved for a very long time. So you can see here the texture is really nice. You can see from the rest of the sardines, they got the bone and skin in it, which is good for the calcium and protein content. But in general, the texture is firm, and when you chew into it, it's not like hard, but you can chew it into it. You can have a good time just eating and enjoying the sardines. These sardines here, Wild Planet in general is not a cheap brand of sardines that you're going to purchase, unfortunately. But you're getting the quality with these sardines. I went ahead and paid about $3.50 for this one can, and that's about 4.4 ounces. So, in general, that is not cheap. About $3.50, $4 for pretty small can of sardines. You can get tuna, skipjack or yellowfin tuna for a lot less. So these are gonna be a lot more expensive. But then again, the sardines are much better in terms of mercury content because you're getting a lot less mercury in these small fish in comparison to larger fish like tuna or such. So anyways, guys, that was just a quick review of this product. Press the like button, subscribe for more videos, and comment below if you've tried these specific brand of sardines. And if you've tried any other sardines that you like me to review or you feel that are great, please post them below. Love to hear your thoughts. Thanks.